Hello everybody. So it looks like the markets will start moving. I find more and more evidence of that. So let's first of all have a look at the Fear and Greed Index for the stock market. So we're now at 34, while yesterday we were at 49. A bit strange. We have a drop of 1% in the market, and we dropped down so much in the index. But okay, it is what it is. For the crypto market, we're still greedy, just like yesterday. So I would like to start with the XLF ETF. So this one holds financial institutions, so mainly banks. And I think this is forming a wick of distribution. So here's the schematics for distribution. So in my opinion, we have the primary resistance over here. We're selling off. So then we have our support here, and we're coming up now to the ST, so the secondary test. So we're retesting the resistance we had over here. So as you can see, we did close 1, 2, 3 days above, and now we're coming down again. So it looks like we're coming down to retest the bottom around here in the 36 region. And so from here we might rally up again for another retest. Maybe we can have this UT, the upthrust, where we go just slightly above the previous high, but this is not mandatory, so we can also try to retest and just fail at the level or just below and then sell off. So this is one, and then for Bitcoin I see something similar, so I'll come back to that a bit later. So if you have a look at the S&P 500, so we're down 1.10% for the moment. Nothing to panic about yet. We still have this, let's make it green, the green support line. Then, so for the DXY, we can see we're pumping up again 0.56%, so that means that gold and silver are selling off. So gold for the moment minus 0.23, and then silver minus 1%. It's more volatile, so it's normal. Crude oil selling off again, and it looks like we will lose this green support line. And something else, yeah, Deutsche Bank gapped down again, almost minus 2.6%. So this is not looking good. PayPal, our short, nice, we're down 3%. So we did take out this low. So PayPal is also a financial institution, so it makes sense since the XLF is also selling off. The 30-year treasury. So we did find support again at the weekly, and then almost touched the support of the pitchfork. And then we have copper also selling off quite a bit. So then let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance, more or less the same as yesterday. And then the Bitcoin chart. So what I want to talk about is what I see on the 4-hour chart. So first of all, we did find resistance at the 0.618 retracement from this high here, where the white line starts. So we're finding resistance there. So I'm drawing this resistance line for now. We will see how well this one works out. So on the 4-hour, Then we have this white support line. So let's make this one maybe also green. And as you can see, we touched it once, twice, 3 times, and now the 4th time we're falling through, and we have a retest of the support line, which is now resistance. And so it looks like we might come down from here. I believe there's also a harmonic pattern in play. Was it on the daily? Yeah, there's this cipher here. So that's another confluence to confirm that we are going down from here. And if I go back to the 4 hour, and then let's put on the Wyckoff drawings. So let's take again the schematic here. So here we have the primary resistance. As you can see, we did retest it here a couple of times, failed. Did come down to here. So here we have our support at the AS. Now we're coming back for a second test. We test over here. We fell. We come down. And now we test it again. So now the question is this now the UT, the upthrust? So it looks like it is. This is a failed attempt to go higher than the previous high. So maybe we can still have a quick push up to take out the stop losses above this high and then come down. So given the volatility of Bitcoin, it's perfectly possible. So let's have a look from here. That would be, yeah, although another 6% would be, I don't think it's very likely that we push up 6% and then come down all the way. But yeah, it's something to keep an eye on. So yeah, I think also here we're ready to come down based on the Wyckoff method. Then the question is, where are we going down to? So if we follow the cipher pattern on the daily, then we come back to the 0.382, which is at around 41,000. Take profit 2 would be 36,500. Then if we look at the volume profile from the low of 29.5K up to the high we had over here, then we can see that the point of control is at 39,700. So what other confluences do we have over there? So we might sell off like this and then find support at a point of control, have a rebound, and then come down again and retest the 0.618. Now, why would that be interesting? Because let's take a rectangle. Because there might be a lot of stop losses to be taken out around the 37,300, 200, 300 region. So we take those out. This will push price further down, and then the buy orders are here at 0.618 and a bit below. So here's another one. Let's take a copy. And there's also this low over here. So if people did put their stop loss at this low, around the 36,600, 500 region, they might also be taken out. And then we might have a reversal. But it will all depend on the stock market. If the stock market also starts selling off, then yeah, then we won't find support over here. So what does that mean for the indicator trading? Tezos for now, we're still in our long position. Trigger line is getting flat. So if we come further down, this will trigger the short. Dogecoin also neutral for today, also flatlining. And then for the others, so I did draw here the 0.618 retracement just to have an idea. So we might get in the most bullish case, then unfortunately we will have a sell signal, and then probably a few days later we will have a buy signal again, and this would be a small loss. But okay, that's trading. You can't win every time. Ethereum. So my stop loss is here at a parabolic SAR. I don't know why it. Yeah, okay. So the parabolic SAR for today got touched, and that means that now the parabolic SAR turns bearish. But since today I don't know what the value was for the parabolic SAR, I could not put my stop loss there. So my stop loss is still at the 30,096 region. So if we cross that one, then I'm fully out of my trade, but I stay in Ethereum just in case if it turns around and goes up, then I just let it go without any leverage. Bitcoin Cash also coming down. Parabolic SAR close just a bit above the trigger line, so I'm not going to do anything here. And then XRP, we got the sell signal, and it looks like we are in a small profit. So let's have a look how we are doing on the trading account. So Bitcoin, a few days ago we took profit, so we're still $218 in profit. Ethereum, 313 in profit. So with the stop loss 3096. XRP, so for the moment $47 in profit. And I did go short a bit more than 2x, and that's just to test something, because when I contacted Bybit and I asked them when do I make profit in both the coins and both in USD value, and they told me I have to go 4x short, but in my opinion that doesn't make sense. I think just a bit more than 2x is enough. So I've taken a screenshot from my current position, and now I'm going short 2.16x for the moment. Now we'll see how it works out, whether I make a profit in both extra XRP and both extra USD. And then Dogecoin, 134 in profit, and Bitcoin Cash 238, and then finally Tezos nicely $311 US. Okay, that's it for the algo trading. So yeah, be careful in the stock market, because things might move fast in a short period. All right, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye.